And this is the Flexispot EN1 Standing Desk, coming in at a price tag of $299.99. If at any point during the video you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below. The design is a standing desk. And by that, I mean that as a compliment. It's clean, it has wide, flat legs for stability, which actually look really good. Rectangular single metal beams on the left and right. Very, very solid. Those metal beams are just asking for RGB, and you might think, well, putting RGB strips on a standing desk doesn't seem like it would make sense on the legs, but those metal legs actually are attached to the upper end, so the lower end is the inside. If that's confusing you, it just means you can put RGBs going down the leg and have it still rise up and down with no problems. That is a huge pro. I mean, just think about how sick that would look as an RGB gaming setup. Yes. Now, the overall construction is a ton of thick metal, except for obviously the tabletop itself, but this thing is solid with a capital S. Now, the tabletop itself is a nice and thick and just solid surface with no texture on it, and I absolutely love it. Textures are great and everything, but the cleanness of this desktop is just very, very nice and typically only found on more expensive desks. However, one of the biggest advantages to this desktop is the massive depth here. Even though I got the 48-inch variant, this is 30 inches deep. That keeps this from feeling anything like a small desk. Large monitors with large stands are absolutely no problem here. RGB accessories, plants, headphone stands, huge desk mats, these are all things that can easily fit on the desk with no problem. That depth is everything, guys. Now, for the max height, this goes from a low of 29 inches, which is pretty much your standard desk height, and then it goes all the way up to about 48.5 inches. I'm 5'8.5", and this was, at the highest setting, way too tall for me. Even if you're like 6'5", it's gonna be perfect. So I wouldn't really worry about your height. I know that 48.5 inches doesn't sound really tall, but trust me, it's like up here when I'm standing. So do remember that your arms come all the way down when you type. If you're like 7 foot, which I don't think many people are 7 foot, I think it's only like 2,800 people in the world, then maybe this would be too low, but if you're not, you're gonna be okay. Size and color options here are obese, with a plethora of size options, starting off with the sizes at 40 by 24 inches. And again, when I'm saying by, I do mean that depth. That is important, guys. The size that I got is the next up, the 48 by 30, and the 48 is the deepest variant. I love that depth. 55 by 28, which is also probably that's probably the prime. If I was gonna get a main workstation, 55 by 28, that would be awesome. And then 60 by 24. Now again, 24 is a really nice depth. That's plenty of depth. The 30 is way overkill, but it's really nice to have in that smaller form factor. Now, personally, I think the best option here is maybe the 55 by 28 and then the 48 by 30. I mean, the 30 inches is great, but that 55 inch with the extra length and the depth, yes, 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 yes. Flexispot got this so right with the depth here. Now, for the ease of build, I know a lot of you might be a little bit scared because of the ease of build here, but this is actually, in a way, a little bit easier because you're using bolts on metal rather than bolts on tubing, which is a little bit different. So it's actually kind of easier to build this. One of the biggest praises I'm going to give in this video is that Flexispot does their instructions unbelievably well. Like, this is Lego level quality of good instructions. No problem following this. Everything's labeled. It's totally a breeze. It took me 15 minutes by myself to make this, which, yes, you can make the standing desk by yourself even though it's very heavy. One thing I will say that wasn't mentioned very clearly on the instructions, but well, you're seeing it right now. Once you build this, hold the down arrow to make this go all the way down, and then keep holding it and it will kind of lower and bump right back up, and that resets it. Make sure both legs are perfectly leveled. So yeah, there's a little tip. Overall, the Flexispot EN1 is by far the best value per dollar standing desk you can buy. While the competition may be cheaper, they cheap out on the desktop, almost always being 2 or more pieces with ugly seams. Not to mention cheaping out on the motor. Flexispot doesn't do any of this, and honestly, the extremely high quality desktop wins me over every time. Again, if you want to check out this exact same product, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, Canada, and international links. And if you want to check out my main channel with longer form content, you can check that out right here. But this is a consumer tech review high speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.